8 class student, exercise 10A, profit and loss, question number 32. Question is, Vinod sold a watch to Arun. Arun sold to Manoj. At first we find the let CP of watch for Vinod. X, he gets gain is equal to 12%. SP of watch for Vinod is equal to, we use the formula is 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into CP. 100 plus gain is equal to 12% upon 100 into CP is X. 112 after plus into X upon 100 divide by 4 is 25. 4 2 is 8. 4 8 is 32. 28 X upon 25 rupees is SP of watch for Vinod. This SP CP of Arun CP of watch for Arun is equal to 28x upon 25 rupees. Arun sold this watch at loss 5%. Loss is 5%. Then SP of watch is equal to, for find the SP use formula 100 minus 5 CP our 28 upon 25x. 95 after minus upon 100 into 28 upon 25x. 5 19 जा 5 5 जा after multiply 500 19 and 28 multiply 28 and 19 multiply 19 teja 72 19 2 ja 18 18 25 28 2 2 3 5 5 3 2 upon 500 rupees according to question. Manoj paid is equal to 3,990 rupees. That is 532 upon 500 x is equal to 390. X is equal to 3990 into 500 upon 532 divide by 2 2 2 ja 4 2 6 ja 12 2 6 ja 12 250 divide by 2 133 155 1 3 ja after multiply 3,750 rupees paid the. So that the CP4 Vinod is equal to 4 watch is equal to 3,750 rupees. He get the watch. Question number 32 is complete. 33 question is Ahmad a plot CPO a plot is equal to 4,80,000. Ahmad plot sold to partly. He sell to 2 upon 5 of at loss 6%. CPO 2 upon 3 2 upon 5 part of plot is equal to 2 upon 5 of 4,80,000. 2 upon 5 into 4,80,000 divide by 5 5 9 ja 45 3 30 5 6 ja 96 1000. After multiply 000, 2 6 ja 12, 2 9 ja 18 and 1,92,000 rupees. CPO 2/5 part. Get loss is equal to 6%. This part get the 6% loss. Loss is equal to 6% of 1,92,000. 6/100 into 1,92,000 divide by equal 0. 6 2 ja 12, 6 9 ja 54 and 55, 5 6 1 ja 6. He get the 11,500 rupees. Get the loss. SPO 2/5 part of plot will be 1,92,000 minus 11,520. After minus 1,92,000, 11,520. After minus 0 8 4 0 1 and 8, 1,80,000. He sold the plot 2/5 part is 1,80,480 rupees. What gain percent should be remaining part of the plot to gain 10% on all? Ahmad want to gain is equal to 10%. 10% want to gain whole plot. Gain is equal to 10% of 4,80,000. 10/100 into 4,80,000. 10 by 10, 10 by 10, 48,000 rupees want to gain at plot. SP4 plot is equal to 4,80,000 plus gain is equal to 48,000. After plus is and 5,28,000 rupees in want to sell. In क्वेश्चन रेस्ट पार्ट या रिमेन पार्ट ऑफ द प्लॉट is equal to 1 minus 3 upon 5 is, take the LCM, 5 minus 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3 has the soul and 3 upon 5 part of plot is CP of 3 upon 5 part is equal to total CP is 4,80,000 minus he should sell the 1,92,000 after minus 4,80,000 1,92,000 has the sold the part of 2 upon 5 0 0 0 8 and 8 and 2. CP of is equal to 2,88,000 rupees CP of the rest or remain SP for 3 upon 5 part is equal to he want to the 5,28,000 minus he have sold the 1,80,480 in rupees after minus 5,28,000 1,80,480 after minus 0 2 5 7 and 4 and 3 lakh 47,520 rupees SP of the remaining part. SP is equal to 3 upon 5 part a plot is equal to 3,47,520 rupees. CP of 3 upon 5 part is equal to 2,00,000 88,000 rupees was the CP of the gain is equal to 3,47,520 minus 2,88,000. After minus is 3,47,520 upon minus 28,000. 0 to 5 carries 7 is 9. 59,520 rupees. He want the gain percent. Gain percent will be is equal to gain is equal to 59,520 into 100. CP is 228. 2,88,000. 0 divided by 0. 0 divided by 0. Divide by 144. 2 2 ja 4. 2 9 ja. 2 7 ja. 2 6 ja. 2976 upon 144. Divide by 2 is 72. 2 1 ja 2. 2 4 ja 8. 2 8 ja and 2 8 ja. Divide by 36 744. Divide by 18 37 2. 9 1 8 6. 2 ja is 3. 2 9 and 2. 92 upon 3. 3 3 ja 9. 3 after divide is 3 6. 62 upon 3. Divide by 3. 2 upon 3. Percent should be sell the rest part 3 upon 5 bar. Question number is 34. 34. It is same question. Thank you.